Hello everyone to the trade review of 10th of April. Today actually it market opened like very flat and it kept hovering around days high and days low. So the big problem which happened to me was that the money was not credited. The margin was not credited in the first candle. Okay, it was credited in the 9:30 candle. So I started initiating all my trades here and because of that the initial gain which I was supposed to get I did not get in that. Okay, so and I'll come to this that where I faced a major slippage kind of thing. It was in this candle, the final candle, which took almost 5 to 8 stop losses of all the straddles that I had placed before. So it's okay. So let me show you the chart of bank nifty, but before that let me show you the average swing of the market. It opened flat and then went up 0.2% and then went up further 0.3%, came down another 0.3% and then closed flat at 0.3% minus. Okay, so let me show you the bank nifty where I got the maximum slippage because it had already broken the day low here in this candle. Okay, and sorry, in this candle it broke the day low and it fell even further, so the fear was very high in this candle. All right, so again, as I said, that if I had entered in this candle I would have made much better than what I did when I entered this candle. All right, so let me show you how India VIX played against me today. So this is the candle where we found the day low was breaking and day low broke here. And let me select the scale again. Okay, so it made a high of almost 1.7% in this, and all the premiums started to spike. Okay, so I closed the day with 0.1% gain. Okay, so my charges, as you can see, yeah, it is close to 430 rupees. Okay, so it's almost 1% only. And now you see here, right, uncleared cash is still, it's not been cleared. So this came to me at around 9:30. Okay, I'll show you show you all the trades when it started to begin. So yeah, it came around 9:36 and I started punching all the orders at the same time, which is not supposed to be done. But yeah, I mean, you can call it a good luck or a bad luck, I don't know. So the PNL, it started, it stayed within the range of plus minus 500 for a very long time. This is the first time I'm seeing this getting extended for like almost 1.5 or 2 hours. Then it gave a breakout. Then again it went flat, 1.5 hour here. Okay, then here this was the time when the market started to fall, and you see this point till this point, right? This is a 3000, or sorry, it's a 5000 rupees drop from here till here. Okay, this is looking very big because the maximum PNL and the minimum PNL are very less. Okay, so this was a 5000 rupees drop, and eventually I recovered and closed green, and that too above the average line. Okay, let me show you the premium spike which happened. So this was the premium spike. At this peak I got exited of many of my stop losses, so that kind of hurt me. Okay, so it's like 40 points in a straddle, so 20 point spike in put leg, or maybe even more, like 25 or 30 points. um, so that hurt me, and that time I took the loss. Okay, so that's it for today. Let me see how it goes tomorrow, because the funds will be settled and all by tomorrow, I hope. So yeah, till tomorrow, and then take care. Bye bye.